Hi beauties, how are you? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for coming to watch my video. So today I bring you a wig review on this beautiful wig called Sia this is actually by the company called Heraremy. And I mean, just stay tuned if you guys want to know my thoughts on this beautiful wig. But before you watch the whole review, make sure you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this makeup look, this is my Valentine's makeup look, just click in the link down below. I'm gonna leave it in the description box for you guys so you guys can see it. But thank you guys so much for stopping by, and let's get right into this review. Alright guys, so this is a premium synthetic deep part lace wig, and the parting, I really like it. I did have to go in with some concealer and some powder so that it can kind of define the parts a little bit more, because I didn't pluck it because I don't really like to pluck my wigs. I don't know why, but it's just preference, I guess, but I don't really like to pluck it. So I just went in with some concealer and powder, and then that's it. And then I did cut the lace that it came with. And the color that I have is in the color 1, so jet black. Now, I really love the waves. I love how long it is. It's like right here, like down to my... It says that it's 26 inches, but I think personally it's like 24 because I am 5'4". No, 5'4". Oh my god, I'm trying to be taller, girl. I'm 5'1". I wish I was 5'4", but I'm 5'1", and it hits me like right here. So I think this is actually just 22, 24 maybe max. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But so yeah, it's very long, nice and full. This is all the hair forward. And one thing that I saw online was that I didn't find a lot of, I only found like 2 videos on this wig. And I was just like, girl, I need to make a video on this wig because there's not a lot of videos on this wig. So I really love the natural waves that it has. I did one in on this side because the curls, I don't know why they do this, that in one side is the curl is always outwards, and in this side it always comes in. So I did one in, since I'm wearing it on the middle, I did one in and actually apply some heat and curl it away from my face, just right here on the front, because that's just my preference. That's just how I like my hair to be when I'm wearing it in the middle. I like, you know, the front parts of my hair to be curled backwards. I love the texture of this hair. It's a light yaki texture. You can see it looks a little bit shiny on camera, but it's not too shiny. It looks like a healthy shine in person, and it looks like very realistic hair. It just looks like your hair, but you know, healthy. So I don't think it looks, you know, fake at all. I did get a lot of shedding since I touched it from when I got it. So I got it today, so that's why I wanted to make the video today exactly, so I can tell you guys how it looks and how it feels since day 1. And I am obsessed with the curls, but definitely that shedding, I was just like, from the beginning, and I didn't have even taken off the lace or cut off the lace, and it started shedding. I was like, what the heck is this? But right now, like if I run my fingers through it, like it's not shedding at all. So it's not so bad. I guess it's just at the beginning only. But definitely I really love the waves, the length. I don't like that it's a little puffy here. Oh, that's the only con that I have. Well, one of the cons that I have is that it really has a lot of like volume. I mean, there's nothing wrong with volume, but I do have to constantly be going like this. And if you can apply some heat so that it kind of flattens it a little bit more, but I don't want to do that because I already did apply heat right here. So you guys know I don't really like to apply heat on my wigs that much because it is synthetic. So but yeah, and this is a very big cap, or a big head friendly cap. So the con with that is that I have a really small head. So I already have it in the last setting to tighten it. So it's still, no, it's pretty good. It's just that since it's already so tight here, it creates even more volume. So, but other than that, I'm okay with it, you know. I'm not really mad at it, but that's the only thing I don't like. And like right here, as you can see, it's like bigger than my actual head, which kind of like, you see how it kind of like overlaps my ear. So I can push it back, but still when I want to put it like behind my ears, it just looks like, makes my ear look weird. I don't like that at all. But anyways, moving on. So the construction of this wig is just regular construction. So it comes in the front, I come in the back, and then adjustable straps. It's a very like airy cap, which I love because it doesn't make me feel too hot. But the only thing is that since it's a little bigger than my head, it does feel like it's kind of since it's overlapping my ears, it makes me feel just a tad bit warm. But other than that, it's not too bad. I mean, the hair feels so light. I'm just like, whoa, like it doesn't feel like a lot of hair at all, but it is. They do give you a lot of hair, so you do get a lot for the price. I mean, the price of it was let's see, $23.99, which is so amazing. I did order it, let's see, when did I order it? I ordered the 5th, I believe, and I just got it today, which is what's today, the 9th? Yeah, so today's the 9th. So it took some time to come. It didn't come super fast. It didn't take too long either, so I'm not mad about that. But yeah, I love the curl pattern, how it feels, how full it is, and the waves. It's just like a nice beachy wave that makes you feel like super sexy, you know. But yeah, this is how long it is from the back. I'm gonna show you guys now so you guys can see. Oh, another thing that I just remembered is that you can wear it to the side. So I'm going to show you how it looks on the side. Okay, so as you can see, it looks really nice on the side as well. And it does not change the length of the haircut, which I love. I did see the 2 videos that I saw did not show how it looked on the side, and I was just like, oh my god, I don't know, I'm gonna buy it, but I don't even know if it actually works on the side. So yeah, you can shift it to the side and it still looks really good. And this is the natural state that the curls come. So if you guys want to brush out the curls, you guys can too, for a more natural look even more. But I just love it like that. This is my favorite look, to be honest. So also, I have not gotten any tangling with this wig, which I love. Well, actually, no, not really. Maybe just a little bit here on the nape area, which is expected with any synthetic hair. So yeah, just don't expect it to be perfect all the time. I mean, especially if you wear it all the time. If you wear it like every day, it's definitely gonna get a little bit tangled, but it's nothing too crazy. I mean, this hair is so light. That's what I love about this hair. It's literally like a copy for the Bia 24 inches. This literally looks the same. I don't have the Bia. I was gonna get the Bia, but I was like, okay, so it's gonna be less money for this one. Let me just try this one and see how I like it, because they definitely look the same. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you guys have any questions, just let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on my social media, so I'll leave everything down below so you guys can follow me and keep up with what I do. And I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys, if you guys need anything, if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. I'm here for you, girl. I got you. Let me know, okay? See you guys on my next video, and stay blessed, guys. Bye.
We about to turn it on.